Dear student, in this lecture we study voltage and current divider circuit. First we define what is series circuit. When all components are connected one by one in circuit, then it is called series circuit. In series circuit, addition of all resistances gives total resistance. In all resistor, current is same. Addition of potential difference across each component is equal to applied EMF. So we consider the following circuit in which there are four resistors connected in series with the source of EMF E. The total resistance is R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Therefore, we calculate the potential drop across each resistor using proportional voltage formula. Therefore, potential drop across first resistor R1 is E1 equal to ER1 upon R. Across second resistor E2 equal to E2R upon R. Across third resistor E3 equal to ER3 upon R, and across fourth resistor E4 equal to ER4 upon R. Then next we see series voltage divider. So we consider the diagram in which resistor R1 and R2 are connected in series with voltage source V. The voltage source is of 12 volt and resistor R1 and R2 having values 20 ohm and 10 ohm. Between point P and R, the total voltage is 12 volt, and in that the point there is Q point. So the resistor R1 and R2 can divide voltages. So from figure, total resistance R equal to R1 plus R2 equal to 10 plus 20 equal to 30. Therefore, potential drop across resistor R1 is 12 into 20 divided by 30 equal to 8 volt. Then potential drop across resistor R2 is equal to 12 into 10 divided by 30 equal to 4 volt. Then next we see open in series circuit. When circuit is open at the output terminal, then what happened? When series circuit is open at the end, it results into two effects, such as first effect is circuit offers infinite resistance, therefore no current will flow through circuit and no potential drop across resistor. Second effect is total applied voltage appear across the open. Then next we see short in series circuit. When any component in the circuit is shorted out, it has practically zero resistance. This causes excess current in the circuit which damages the component. First diagram shows 12 volt source with two resistors having value 2 ohm and 30 ohm. And in next diagram or in figure second, we have shorted the resistor 3 ohm between the point B and C. Now from figure first, total resistance is 2 plus 3 equal to 5 ohm. Current through circuit is I equal to V upon R, that is equal to 15 divided by 5 equal to 3 ampere. Then we calculate the power. Power is I square into R equal to 3 square into 5, that is equal to 45 watt. Now consider figure second. In figure 2, 3 ohm resistor is shorted, therefore total resistance of the circuit is only 2 ohm. Hence current in the circuit is I equal to 15 divided by 2 equal to 7.5 ampere. Therefore power I square R equal to 7.5 bracket square into 2, that is equal to 112.5 watt. Hence, due to short in series circuit, power increases many times. Next we see parallel circuit. It is the circuit in which two or more resistors are connected side by side across single source of EMF. Therefore, in parallel circuit, each branch has same voltage. Total resistance is determined as 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus so on. Then there are division of currents. So here we consider the circuit, and in this circuit there is a voltage source E and two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel having values 2 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm. And here there is a division of current. So in first branch the current is I1 and in second branch the current is I2. Then we calculate current through R1 and R2 by inverse formula, that is I1 equal to I into R2 upon R1 plus R2, and in second branch current is I2, that is equal to I into R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Then open in parallel circuit. When circuit is open, then it is similar to open in series circuit. Then short in parallel circuit. Consider the following circuit in which short is placed across resistor R4. So the first case is when resistor R4 is short circuited, it short all other resistors. The second is no current flows through short circuit. With this we stop here.